In continuation of the series of universities you can apply to without application fee, without station fee, and in today's video, I'm bringing you Universität Frankfurt am Main. This is Goethe University of Frankfurt or Goethe University in Frankfurt. The Goethe University was established in 1914, and this university was founded by the wealthy and the liberal citizens of Frankfurt, and that is why the original name in German is known as Universität Frankfurt am Main. Universität Frankfurt am Main is located in the central German city on the River Main, which is a financial city hub in Europe. So this Frankfurt is like an industrial and a business kind of a city. So there are so many industries, headquarters, and there is an airport for international travels. At the Goethe Universität Frankfurt am Main, there are 15 English taught master programs that you can apply to without having to pay the ridiculous application fee that you would have paid if you are applying through the Uni-assist. Here is the original website for Goethe Universität Frankfurt am Main, and if you navigating through their website using Google Chrome, this will automatically translate the German version of whatever is being displayed in English. However, you can select if you want to navigate the website by clicking on the right side corner of the screen. There is the option to change to DE, which is the German language, or if you click it one more time, it will switch to English, which is the EN symbol. And here, we are going to be navigating to the part that says studies. And at Goethe Universität Frankfurt am Main, you can study a bachelor program, a master's program, or a PhD. Depending on the type of program you want to study, you can select this directly when you click on the study icon on their home page. And before we dive in, hi, welcome to Impact with Alice. My name is Alice Esiola, and on this channel, I share information about opportunities that you can navigate for your studies abroad. If you click on the icon that says studies, this page will open up where it says study choice, range of courses, application, offer for students, and everything. What I'm going to do is to first click on range of courses so that we see the type of programs that are available at the Universität Frankfurt am Main. On this page, you have the student Angebot, which is mostly information for studies, and you just have to scroll down a bit to navigate to the part where you have the master's degree. You can see that here you have the icon for master's courses that are taught in German. We have the one for master degree courses that are taught in English, and for continuing educational courses, those are those that transfer from a particular semester into a different university. So it's like a direct entry kind of, that's the way I would describe it. I might be wrong, so please do not take my word for it. You should check that. I'm going to click on master degree courses that are taught in English, and this will open up a new page for us where we can read the instructions. You can see here it says overview of master study program and application procedure. Here you will find a short overview of the study program and the application procedure. If we click here, even though we clicked on the one that says master studies that are taught in English, you can see that we're having a mixed list of programs that are taught both in English and in German. So if you have to navigate further, you can see that the American Studies is taught in English and the deadline is the 31st of May. You can see that the Anglophone Literature, Culture and Media, that's the second one, is a Master of Arts, so that's number 2. Comparative Democracy. The fourth, number 4 is Interdisciplinary Neurosciences. Fifth is International Economics and Economic Policy. International Management, that's number 6. One thing I want you to pay attention on is that on this page where it gave you the summary of the application deadline, the program, and when the program is starting, WS stands for winter semester, and whenever you see SUSE, it means that the program is a summer semester, and whenever they put both together, it means that you can start this program either in the summer or in the winter semester. Another part I want you to focus on before you log out of this video is that the application process differs depending on the program you're applying to. there is an option to apply for some program through the university portal, and this will cost you no application fee. Whereas there are programs that you can click on that their application portal is through the Uni-assist. However, if you're applying for a program that is through the Uni-assist, the Goethe University Frankfurt am Main as exception that you don't have to pay the application fee through the Uni-assist portal. So if you click on here where it says address for applications, if you check, for instance, the American Studies, it says online application portal for master study program. So that is how this one particular study, if you're applying to it, you're going to be applying directly through the university portal. So if I click on that, I will right click on this and open the page before I would quickly check another. There is another programs that says that the application is about is through the department. I will just look for one of those. So you can see, for instance, this particular program, which is comparative dramaturgy and performance research. This program is taught both in English and in German. And you can see that the application instruction is that please contact the department. So this is one of the things I want you to pay attention to, because sometimes some people just see the title of the videos that says no application fee and they just log out of the video and then leave a comment that, oh, but you said it's through this, but that's not right. Please pay attention to all this information. There's another program that was taught in English that I found, and that the application was through the department. Give me 1 second to find that. Yes, so this English program, which is meteorology, it's an English program, and the application deadline is actually the 31st of August. You can see that here it says please contact the department. So when I click on this type of program, I'm also going to open that up so that we have two different programs to compare the application process. And I think there was one more, which was this one, quantitative economics. You can see it also says please contact the department. So when it says contact the department, if you click on the program, one thing that's for sure is that you will get the program information. So it will give you an overview of what the program is all about, what you are going to be specializing on during that program. So meaning during your 2 years master program, you have the options to specialize in these 4 different areas of the program. And the degree program is in English, and the program starts at the beginning of the winter semester, and most winter semesters in Germany start either late September or early October. You can see here that they always give the information about what's the document you need for the program. And here you can see that you need your bachelor program. You need, if you're applying for anything in mathematics or quantitative related kind of study, usually they always ask for proof of mathematical or quantitative or knowledge, which is usually the GRE or the GMAT. You are required to write 2 essays that is responding to question asked by Goethe Institute. So this question you will meet the question during your application process. They want you to provide proof of English language, and proof could be an English test, or that you've completed a previous application, a previous study in English language. And you can see that for some program, admission to the program is restricted, while some, the admission is not restricted. Where the admission is not restricted, it means they can take in as many students as possible. And usually in the course overview, you will get the information about the deadline for the application. So this particular program that we checked earlier that says please contact the department, if we click on the please contact the department, it will give us the instruction on how to actually apply. It does not mean that you should send an email to the department. All it means is that you should please follow the guided instruction that they've provided to you. It says that you should contact the department. It is written here that your application must be submitted through Goethe University Frankfurt's portal for the GSEFM degree programs described in detail below. So if you check for the note on the document you need to submit, you will get all the information here. You need a cover letter. You have to write an essay, and in the online application portal, you provide answers to the 2 essay questions that will pop up on the screen during your application process. And you can see that they have limit of 2,000 words, meaning you can write up to 500, 1,000, 1,500, but your essay must not exceed the 2,000 word limit. You are required to scan all your degree certificates, your transcript from your previous university for proof of study. And APS certificate, it's for some people coming from Asia. So you can see APS certificate for applicants from particular countries, and usually from people from Republic of China, from Vietnam, from Mongolia. So these three category of applicants have to provide the academic evaluation document, which is the APS certificate. And then you can begin to make your application. So where is the application portal for the program? Is to click on the guide online application portal. So this will give you the information you just finished reading. It will give it to you, and also it provides you with the online application portal, the link to that. So you just have to click on this, and that will open up the portal for you to make the application. Studying at Goethe and would like to apply, you will click on the applicants tab. So if you click on the applicants tab, you can see that my Chrome has translated this to English. What you have to do is, for application for the first semester of the following program, you must first register with Uni-assit program. If you click on the link here that says click here for uni-assist.de, that will open up the page where you have to then register. So I'm going to try and change this to English. So click on the English on the right side corner, and you can see for the first login, you need to register. You can then dial in by the access route stored there by bundle ID. So if it is the first time you are making an application, just click on login with bundle ID, and then you can start your application. So that's for applications that requires you to apply through the department. For some certain programs, so if you're applying for master degree, you can find an overview of all the program here. We already checked this earlier all together. And then you click here for the self-registration. When you click on the first registration, it's giving you one more instruction that's, are you ready to apply? There are currently problems with the email provider. So if you are planning to apply for your admission, for your application using Hotmail, Outlook, Live, these three different emails, the university is currently having problem with that portal. So I would recommend, if you do not have a Gmail or a Yahoo Mail, please register for one before making your application. Then you click on the OK icon, and by the time you finish entering all the details that is required, all this information is showing in English. So if you experience it opening up in English, just wait for your Google Chrome to translate the page to English. And now we can read this better in English. Register only once, and after registering, you will receive a message in your email address which describes how to proceed. So that's how to make application using the contact the department or instructions program that says that you can apply directly through the online portal. I'm just going to choose a program that says online application portal for master study. If you click on the science and technology studies, make the application, you will get the program overview once again, and then you navigate towards the end of the page. Remember, the deadline for application to this program is the 15th of May. You then click on the application portal. This will also look similar to the one where we saw that you apply through the department, but the application process is entirely different. Sorry, my PC is now making noise. I think maybe I've opened too much tab. So after you've clicked on the program that says that you can apply through the university portal, all you just have to do is to follow the instruction on the page where it says application for a master study program. I love the fact that they're always making sure that you've paid attention to the information about the program you want to apply to before submitting your application. And you can see that here, before you can start your application, you need to select where you completed your first undergraduate degree. Because most of my viewers are people that have completed their bachelor program in their home country or countries other than Germany or Europe, all you have to do is to click on degree not obtained at the German higher education institution. If you click on more, sorry, before we leave that page, you can see that there are some application for master degree in cooperation with Uni-assist, and it is written here that it is free of charge for the winter semester, which is this here / next year. So if you click on the degree not obtained in Germany and it leads you to the application portal for Uni-assist, be rest assured that you are not going to be charged an application fee, because the Goethe University Frankfurt and mine already have a cooperation with the Uni-assist. So if we click on here to get the instruction on how to apply, since we got a undergraduate program through the from outside of Germany, you can see that here it's giving you one more instructions that you need your academic record, transcripts, and every other documents that we already checked earlier. Additional document that you need is your CV, your letter of motivation, and letter of recommendation. Please make sure you get all these things ready in advance before making your application. Some applications have deadline of 15th of May, some the 31st of May, some in June, and some in August. If after you finish your online application, if it gives you the information that you should please send in hard copy of your certificates, this is the postal address you are going to be posting your documents to. And you can see they say please always give your application number. You will get your application number when you are making the online application. And now the next step for you is to set up an account. Enter all the details that is required after you've set up the account. All you have to do is to click here for the Master's Online Application Portal, and I'm going to click there. When I did that, it opened up the Uni-assist program, and as the Uni-assist portal, and now all we have to do is to choose the university. So we have Goethe, which is the Goethe University Frankfurt. It's asking for the federal state. Goethe Frankfurt is in the state of Essen. So there are 16 states in Germany, and one of them is Essen, which is where Frankfurt is located. You're going to select the program you want to study, which is the master program. And now it says partial courses of study. Just click on all, leave them as all. Uni-assist responsible, online application, leave everything as it is pre-checked, and then click start. You can see that before you may start making your application, the Uni-assist page, it's showing you the different program again. So all you have to do is to select which one it was that we wanted to study. Okay, see, science and technology studies. And now I'm going to click on select. It's going to ask me to fill in the information. If you've never used the Uni-assist before, all you have to do is click on create new account. And if you click on create new account, logged in here, and then you will follow the instructions. All that matters is that don't be afraid if the page takes you to the Uni-assist page, because for you to apply to Goethe University, you are not going to be paying the Uni-assist fee because of the exemption that they have in their collaboration or cooperation with the Uni-assist platform. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and share with your friends that you know that are looking to study whatever program is available in English at Goethe University. Share this with them so that they can make their application as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching today's video. Goodbye.